Welcome back to Product Scout. Today, we're diving into a unique set of keycaps that promise both form and function, the KBDiy Glimmer Dye Keycaps. Whether you're a keyboard enthusiast or just someone looking to give your mechanical keyboard a stylish retro upgrade, this low-profile keycap set might just be what you've been waiting for. Let's start with the design. This is the Dye Glimmer color variant, part of the KBDiy Dye series. The aesthetic is undeniably retro, with a subdued yet nostalgic color palette that gives your keyboard a vintage charm. Almost like something you'd see on a classic terminal, but updated for the modern workspace. And it's not just about looks. This set includes 140 keys in total, designed to fit a wide range of layouts, from 60% all the way up to full-size 100% keyboards. So whether you're working with a compact 61 keyboard or a full 108 key setup, you're covered. Now let's talk about the feel. These are low-profile keycaps, and that means they're roughly half the height of traditional keycaps. But don't let that make you think you're compromising on comfort. In fact, the reduced height is paired with a wider touch area, which enhances both the typing and gaming experience. The lower profile makes for quicker key presses, and the ergonomic design reduces fatigue over long sessions. It's a sleek balance of performance and comfort. Material-wise, you're getting quality here. The keycaps are made from PBT. That's polybutylene terephthalate, known in the keyboard world for its durability. It's resistant to wear, heat, and grime, and thanks to the dye-sublimation printing method, the legends on these keycaps won't fade over time. The result? A texture that feels satisfying to the touch and legends that stay crisp even after heavy use. In terms of compatibility, this set is designed for switches with an MX stem. Think Cherry MX and Gateron MX switches. It's a standardized cross-shaped mount, so these keycaps will fit most mechanical keyboards on the market. They're especially versatile in layout support too, with keys for 60%, 65%, 75%, TKL, and full-size configurations. You won't be left short-handed regardless of what keyboard you're rocking. Customer support is another area KBDiy emphasizes. They promise responsive service, with a 24-hour turnaround if you have questions or issues. That's a solid plus, especially when buying from a brand that might be new to you. So, who is this set for? It's for the mechanical keyboard fan who wants to stand out with a refined retro look. It's for the gamer or coder who needs a low-profile setup without sacrificing performance. And it's for anyone who wants long-lasting keycaps with both durability and style baked in. To wrap it up, the KBDiy Glimmer Dye keycaps blend old-school vibes with modern engineering. You get low-profile form, high-quality PBT material, fade-resistant legends, wide compatibility, and enough keys for virtually any board layout. All in a visually distinctive set that upgrades your desk aesthetic instantly. If you're interested, check the link in the description below to see current pricing and availability. Thanks for watching Product Scout, where we dig deep so you don't have to. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss another review. See you next time.